So I'm out here in nature with the bro, and I'm just taking this walk. Decided to vlog it. You feel me? But yeah, it feel good to be out in nature, man. I always feel connected out here, bro. I was meditating near the waterfall because that shit sounded so beautiful. I'm probably gonna go home and do that. I'll probably go home and meditate. That's all I like really be doing for real. If I'm not playing a game, bro, I'm really just sitting there meditating. I be playing the music on my TV and shit all night. You feel me? I fuck with bro energy. He turned.
Yeah, you got it right.
But that's what a nigga be doing.
Shit that I done on my dirt. Didn't even go much of work. Not being seen to live. Fuck again, you found living.
I fuck with bro energy. That's how he really going. He putting that work in, bro.
Yeah, boxing training though. He's no joke.
Facts. Look at all the trees. Like we look like we in a fucking Hidden Leaf. If I had to pick one of the nations, it'd be the Hidden Leaf, bro, in the Sound Village.
Oh yeah, you talking about Rochimaru?
Yes, sir.
Oh man. Yeah, they turning it on. I went to the Cloud Village.
Oh yeah, they turn. I like all of them. I like all of them for real.
Yeah.
Imagine being out here at night, bro. I don't know if I could do it. I'd be too connected. For real. All kind of weird vibes would be out here. Or like, I don't know.
Yeah. I've been thinking that too, like we could probably sneak up anywhere during the night.
Probably. You're not even supposed to be out here at night. But I always thought like, who's really gonna check? You feel me?
Yeah.
But these motherfuckers, they'll check. They got security. They be like, it's 30 minutes until 7 p.m. Time to get out. I'm like, okay.
What time did it close today?
Probably soon, to be honest. Cause it's like 8. They say it closed at sunset. So basically, when the sun go down, it usually be like around 8:30ish. You feel me?
Yeah.
That's why I was like, we might as well just start walking back now. That tree looks so weird.
That one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one's weird. It's staying out for some reason.
Yeah, that's what I noticed like a while back. Like this tree stand out.
I'm gonna turn it this way. Oh, I can't turn it? Oh, that's lame. I can't flip the camera. What's going on, Apple? What?
Yeah, bro.
What?
What y'all doing? Android got this tenfold.
What? You hear him, bro? Android got this. What we doing? What's going on? That's crazy. I don't like that. I was trying to get
Like,
the.
Like pay $1 so
Get the
you get
path
the feature
in
to
there.
turn your phone on.
I was trying to get the path in there. But it's cool. Facts, they gonna put that update or that feature in the next iPhone. And they gonna make it seem like it's new. Like, bitch, Android been doing this. That's crazy. I feel like their old phones probably used to do it because I remember like
Yeah.
on the 6, I had the 6, the 8.
You can do it on apps on here, but you can't do it on
Yeah,
the
like
camera.
what? That's so crazy. That's crazy. But it's cool. It's whatever. I was here earlier too, like in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Well, not in the morning, but I guess the afternoon, like around 1. That's where I linked up with him here. Or no, he came and got me. And we came here and smoked.
Oh, y'all smoked already?
Yup. Bro, I was with him yesterday. We was smoking. We really just be blowing, bro. Then we went to Dante house. Got done fried there. Came here and smoked again. But I've been smoking all day. That shit got my head hurting.
Oh, you got the brain fog?
Yeah. But it was cool though. I was just going with the wind.
I guess it don't hurt once in a while, but,
Sweet, sweet.
man, they really out here.
The birds.
Yeah.
That's where they be at. They probably communicating to each other. I don't know what they talking about. But yeah, man. I think I might post this on my spiritual page. I ain't really post on there in so long. I don't know. The last time I posted on there, I remember the last video I made. That shit was real. I gotta get back on there. Post this on there. They're probably like, damn, bro, where you been? So this a update. I just been living life, bro. Like I said in the last video, I was like, I'm gonna make this year the best year. That's how I'm treating it. I'm trying to think. What did you say earlier, bro?
About the Metal Gear?
Nah, it was something you said, and I was like, yeah. Oh no, you was like that. You was like that shit don't phase me. You feel me? That's the energy, bro. That shit don't phase me, bro. Nah, I'm out here living my best life.
Yeah, man, I waiting for Poison Ivy to come out here somewhere. Double in the place a little bit.
Poison Ivy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was
You
thinking-
fight Mr. Freeze yet or nah?
Yeah, I fought you don't actually fight Mr. Freeze in Arkham Knight. You kind of like help him out.
They got Scarecrow in there too.
Yeah, they got most of them. I mean, you know
Tweet,
about
tweet,
Joker.
tweet. Yeah.
But, yeah, Scarecrow in there. Scarecrow's the main villain.
Bro, you see the new Batman game they making?
It's called Arkham. What is it called? Arkham something.
I forgot what it's called, but basically Batman not in it.
Oh yeah, cause he succumbed to the thing, to whatever that happened to him in Arkham City.
Yeah, so
I
you
think
play
he
as
played-
Robin and
yeah.
the rest of the game.
Oh yeah,
That
makes
shit
sense.
look turned.
Yo, I really.
And it's like co-op too.
Oh yeah, that's turned.
And it's co-op. I think it's even online co-op. So like, if say somebody wanted to be Robin, the other person be Batwoman or some shit.
Oh yeah.
That shit crazy.
Oh yeah,
And y'all do missions together. That shit crazy.
Bro, I wanted them to make a game where you like play as Terry. You know Terry, Batman Beyond.
Yes, sir.
Batman Beyond, his name Terry.
That's the Batman of the future.
Yeah. I wanted
That's
them
the Batman we need now, bro.
Huh.
If we got like Miles Morales, bro, I feel like, you know, that's basically, we need Batman Beyond now, you feel me? If we got Miles, we need Batman Beyond. Cause Batman Beyond, bro, I seen the cartoon movie.
Mhm.
He badass. He better than Batman. He way better than Batman. He don't got the experience as Batman, but
Yeah, he's got
his technology and like, yeah, his technology is way far advanced. Thanks to Batman though, but you know, that's his mentor.
Yeah. He's tough. He's like a great replacement for Batman. He's basically what Batman was supposed to be, but wasn't able to be completely. If that makes any sense.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like he basically like Spider-Man. Then you got Miles. If you compare the two, Miles' powers is crazy. He could be the Spider-Man that, you know, Peter, yeah, just because he got different powers, bro. He could do a lot more. He a lot stronger, I feel like. A lot more powerful.
Yeah.
But Peter, though, he made it work. Like, he did his shit.
Yeah, Peter is
Just like Batman, like, they did their shit, bro. They like legends, for
they
real.
like paved the way.
But it's cool to see it get passed down, though.
Yeah.
It's like,
I wonder what happened to Nightwing. In that new, like, the future verse.
yeah,
I wonder what happened to him. He probably still fighting crime.
maybe. I remember, one of the Robins died.
Yeah, well, yeah, he died at first, and then he was brought back to life. That was Jason Todd.
Yeah. There's so many of them. It's like 3 different fucking Robins.
Yeah, bro, you know in Arkham Knight?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna spoil it for you, but like, it has something to do with Jason Todd.
Okay. I'm trying to go camping. Imagine sleeping out in nature, bro. You're gonna have all kind of dreams. For real.
Yeah. You gonna wake up with like
All kind of downloads. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna end it. Cause we pretty much walked this whole thing. It's like 12 minutes. I ain't even gonna edit it. I might just post it like this. I ain't even gonna post it on my media. Whoever watch it, watch it. You feel me? Okay, they probably like, what's wrong with your hair? I'm about to take it out. I want to get like 2-strand twists.
2-strand twist?
Yeah. They kind of gonna look like dreads, but they just gonna be twists, so I could take them out and shit. That shit gonna be turned.
I'm gonna try to get like a 3-string.
Oh yeah. That's cool. But yeah, we at the end. Shout out to y'all if you watch it. You're a real one. Bro, you got anything to say? We out here working, man.
Yeah, you see.
Yeah. No cap, got bro out here. We in nature. Enjoying life.